Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you my version of Korean fried chicken with gochujang paste. Come, let's go to the recipe. I have about 2.5 pounds of chicken wing. I'm going to cut to this size, 3-part here. I like to do this recipe with chicken wing. So this is how it's going to be. So let me cut this finish and I'll come back. I'm going to put aside this end part of the chicken wing for my chicken stock. I'll be right back. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1/4 cup plain flour, half a cup cornstarch, 1 egg. I'm going to mix this all in. I might have to use another egg. I'm going to fry with a double frying. So I will fry the first batch, cool it down, and then by the time I come to the, I don't know how many times I'm going to fry because I'm going to fry by batches. So batter looks very good. Okay, I'm going to fry few of the wing first. There's one more ingredient to be added to the batter. It's the baking soda, half a teaspoon. So I forgot to mention that. Try to coat as much as you can. The frying is about 3 minutes one side and 3 minutes the other side. And then once you finish the first batch, then you go fry back again, 3 minutes one side, 3 minutes the other side. 3 minutes up. Okay, I've done frying, so let me share with you. This is I did in air fryer. It is so crispy. Okay, what you should do is when you put in the air fryer, first you fry them in the oil, take it out, let it cool down, completely cool down. It shouldn't be hot at all. Cool down and then put in the air fryer for 10 minutes on the first half, 8 minutes on the second half. So when you do the 8 minutes, you have to turn the chicken. All right. So these are my result. So I'm going to do the sauce now and follow through. This is very crispy. So don't have to do double frying. What you do first time you fry, second do the air fryer. So just to let you know, I fried this again. This few. So this is from air fryer and this is from air fryer, and they looks very crispy. The oil doesn't look so crispy. So my conclusion is air fryer is doing the second frying on air fryer is the best. All right. Okay. Shall we go to the sauce? For the sauce, I'm going to use 2 garlic. I'm going to chop them, and then I'm going to use 1/4 cup corn syrup, 1/4 cup of gochujang paste, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup. I'm going to drop in 2 garlic, chopped garlic. So I'm going to put in the Thai chili now. I'm going to saute this. Saute for just 1 minute. The heat is actually low. 1/4 cup tomato sauce. 1/4 cup corn syrup. 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar. One-quarter cup of gochujang. Simmer this for like 1 minute. The chicken is very crispy. I'm going to toast some sesame seed and then garnish them and plate them. Try, share with your friends. Let me know in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I shall see you in my next upload. So crispy and yummy. You can see the crispiness, right? The crunchiness.